Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a little bit of a declutter and a project pan. I'm going to be doing a real big declutter soon, and I think I'm going to film it and kind of show you guys me really emptying out some stuff that I think it's time to go. It's really close to being empty and all that. So some of it I'm not going to finish painting. I'm going to, but without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, so first things first, there's a bunch of bare mineral stuff in here that I finished up. I do have a mineral veil, and two different of the powders, both in matte and original. And these were a little bit dark for me because I got them in a kit. They were in the fairly light. I do work better in the fair because this one was a little bit too yellow, but I did finish all that. I finished off a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, one of my favorite mascaras, but I did fall in love with the Essence False Lashes one, the Princess one. I know the purple one, purple and black. I love that one. I'm going to keep buying that one instead. I used a lot of this. It's the Anastasia Concealer in 0.5. It's pretty much really down to the base, and I was really starting to scrape out of it, and it was starting to get really dry and pasty, so time for this to go. So I'm going to run through these. I am going to be getting rid of my Makeup Geek blush. I got it in a BoxyCharm. It's in the shade Soulmate. It's just kind of a weird color, and it started to get that weirdness where you had to start kind of almost like hitting it a little bit, so it kind of brushed off some product, so that's got to go. The MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, I really do, it's like I really want to like this, but it just gives me way too much in a pump. It's really, really messy. I do like the coverage, but it is a little bit too dark for me, so then I got to mix it. It just becomes a lot, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Oh, here's another Bare Minerals foundation I finished up. I'm going to be getting rid of this Flawless Finish foundation by e.l.f. It's actually less than half in there. It's in the shade Light Ivory. I was using this for quite a bit, but I'm starting to get rid of some foundations that it's like, you know, it's time for it to go. Because it was a little bit too yellow, I'd have to mix it. In the summer I got a little bit more away with it, but now with there being like no sun, I cannot. So it's empty enough, so I figured it can go. Next is this Sleek Blush. I thought I would really like this, and a lot of people said it was similar to Orgasm by NARS, but this is just way too shimmery and it just cannot work for my skin tone. It just doesn't look that nice. This is in the shade Rose Gold. Really know what I was thinking for that one, but you know. Next, this is a highlighter palette. It came in a BoxyCharm. It's by Naked Cosmetics. It actually is really pretty. I'm going to pass this along to somebody, but it's just super holographic, and if you guys don't know, I already got an ABH one, the Dream one, I think, or something. I don't know, Moonchild? Something. I got one of those, so I'd rather just keep that one and then pass this one along to a friend. This is like a brand new palette. It's the Crown Pro palette. I'm going to be passing this along to a friend because it's like brand new from BoxyCharm. I just didn't want to open it. I have enough neutrals, so I'm going to pass him along. Next, that's another palette by Crown. It is the Glam Metals one, and I really like, it's like the shadow quality is okay, but to be honest, I mainly just like that it's Glam Metals because it's like metal theme. And that's not a reason to keep it because, I mean, they're okay. They're pretty good shimmers, but for the shimmers that I have in my collection, I'd rather just pass this along and see if anybody else wants it. Last but not least is the BH Cosmetics Carly Bybel palette. Super pretty, but it's just really big, and I like a lot of this row here, this middle row. These two rows you can get everywhere, but I do like this middle row, and I did like some of these highlighters. They're super pretty, but for how big this is, it's just, I gotta pass this along. It is so gorgeous, but they're gonna, I've had this for a while. I'll ask if my one friend if she wants it, and if she doesn't, then I'm gonna pass it along. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to be doing another nice declutter. I know you guys are starting to see less and less kind of makeup hauls on here. I'm just trying to use up more of what I got, and lately I've been kind of not as intrigued with a lot of new releases. I mean, minus ColourPop. I've been loving their new releases. They've had some really cute stuff come out, and they're pretty affordable. But some of the other products I'm just not really finding myself wanting as bad, so that's why it's kind of been slowing down. But yeah, I'm going to be filming a big declutter soon, so keep an eye out for that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.